Good morning to all of you. Welcome to Legal Matters by Sai Babu Sunkara. Delhi High Court, it has given a community punishment to the complainants as well as the accused persons in a case of 308 of the IPC. What is this punishment? The punishment is that they have to go in 4 groups. There are 24 members, 4 groups, 4 into 64, to 4 police stations from 18th September 2023 and do the basic cleaning duty of the 4 police stations. So go and clean the police stations. Basic cleaning. Of course, they need not clean the washrooms or toilets, but they may sweep the floor, they may mop the floor like that. Why this thing happened? It is a very peculiar punishment. Nowadays, community service, it is also treated as the reformative punishment. Right. In the case of Justice Soumya Banerjee, Justice Soumya or my writing, I am not okay. Justice Banerjee, let us Justice S. Banerjee. In the case of Sagar and others versus the state, Sagar and others versus the state, in WP number 2052 by 23, dated 15/9/2023, directed the people to go and clean the police stations. What is the case against them? This is important, we have to know. Normally, you come to know while dealing with the Indian Penal Code, right from 304, culpable homicide, punishment for culpable homicide not amounting to murder, 304A, this is death due to rash or negligent act, 304B, that is dowry death, 305, 306, attempt to commit suicide, 307, attempt to murder, and 308. Here the case is booked under 308. Attempt to commit culpable homicide. So if I start telling what is culpable homicide and what is murder, the entire time is waste. So please remember the degree of difference. The main difference between the culpable homicide and murder is the degree of knowledge and intention. Of course, if there is no intention, if a murder is taken place, yes, to some extent the so-called culpable homicide can be attracted. So here, if any attempt is made to commit the culpable homicide, then it is liable for 308 and it is punishable up to 3 years, I believe. This is what is the case booked against these people. Happened in Mehroli PS of Delhi City. Delhi City. Please remember, on 28/7/2023, the parties, 6 on one side and 18 on the other side. All of them are neighbors. On some occasion, due to some dispute among them, they hurled stones on each other. They pelted stones on each other. Suppose if it is Ongon, if I am the concerned police officer, I would have booked the case under section 160 of the IPC. 160 means affray, causing nuisance, but there were injuries. The problem is there were injuries. The Delhi police, yes, definitely using their intelligence only, they have booked 308. 308 means attempt to commit murder. So attempt to commit culpable homicide. And now they realized that if once they are booked, they have to move on to the court. So many things will happen. Therefore, after the registration of the case, when the parties are called to the police station to take 41A CRP's notices, they realized and they tried to effect compromise. Ultimately, they effected compromise with certain conditions. And they have come to the Honorable High Court of Delhi before the so-called Banerjee, Justice Banerjee, and he allowed them Okay, graciously he accepted their compromise because both of them are neighbors. Tomorrow they should not be disturbances because it's not happy for them. But at the same time, serious case. How can I put a compromise? So saying that better you understand the community policing, you understand community service. So therefore, from Monday, from 18th onwards, 3 days they has given. For 3 days you have to go to 4 police stations. Monday, Thursday and Sunday. So their duty is up to Sunday. They have to clean, they have to do the basic cleaning process in Mehroli PS where the case has been registered. And secondly, Fatehpur Beri police station, Mohindas Garhi and Neb Sarai PS. Right? So, no doubt the FIR has been quashed under 482 CRPC. At the same time, they are directed to clean the police station. Maybe neighbors means I cannot say, but some poor people or laborers might have been involved in this. Whatever it is, so this is the result of crime number 389 by 2023 registered under section 308 of the IPC. Friends, please note this case law because there is no case law. That is, you can read it as Sagar&ors versus state. I told you that is the only case. So it will be classic case for 308. Normally we don't book cases under 308. In my entire life, service of 35 years, I did not come across booking a case under section 308. Even for me, it is also first case. So remember this case law and enrich your legal knowledge. Thank you very much.